Hello knowledge seekers. Let's discuss about the control mechanism of hormones in female reproductive cycle. First, what is hormone? These are chemical substance which acts as messenger and helps to control the various functions of the other body parts. There are mainly four major hormones which control the mechanism of reproductive cycles in case of female. These are FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, estrogen hormone, and progesterone hormone. Now let's see where these hormones produce and how they work together. This process starts from the hypothalamus gland, which is present in the brain. The hypothalamus gland secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone which stimulate the anterior part of the pituitary gland, which is also present in the brain. This pituitary gland, stimulated by the gonadotropin releasing hormones, secretes follicular stimulating hormone, which is known as FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. Now the FSH and LH travels up to ovary. In ovary, the follicular stimulating hormone promotes the growth of follicle, which further produce estrogen hormone. On the other hand, the luteinizing hormones help to form corpus luteum, which produce progesterone hormone. Next, what are the functions or effects of estrogen and progesterone hormone? The estrogen hormone promotes secondary sexual characters in case of female, and the progesterone hormone helps to prepare the uterus for pregnancy and breast for lactation. Both these hormones are synthesized in ovary from the cholesterol and lower extent from acetyl coenzyme A. This is the diagram showing hormone level in day-wise order during reproductive cycle. We can divide it into three parts. From day 1 to day 13, this is pre-ovulatory phase. The day 14 is the ovulatory phase, where the ovulation takes place, and from day 15 to 28 is the pre-ovulatory phase. Now, in the pre-ovulatory phase, from day 1 to 13, the FSH and LH secretion started. The FSH levels are higher than the LH hormone, which cause the maturation of follicles and further produce estrogen hormone. So the estrogen levels are also high in pre-ovulatory phase. In ovulatory phase, which is on day 14, there is a sudden increase in secretion of LH than the FSH. This sudden increase of LH stimulates the rupturing of Giraffian follicle to release ovum and helps to form corpus luteum. In post-ovulatory phase, now the formed corpus luteum helps in rising the level of progesterone hormone, and we know this progesterone hormone helps to attain pregnancy. And also there is suppression in secretion of luteinizing hormone and follicular stimulating hormone. In the case if fertilization doesn't occur, then the formed corpus luteum disintegrate, which ultimately lowers the level of progesterone hormone. Then this lowering causes the extra formed thick layer of endometrium wall to shred off. After shredding, the cycle starts again. Now it's time for MCQ. Question number 1. which hormones are produced by the anterior pituitary gland to stimulate ovaries? We know that the anterior pituitary gland secretes follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone to stimulate ovary. So C is the right answer. Question number 2. Which hormones are produced by the ovary? We know that after the stimulation produced by the FSH and LH, the ovary produced estrogen and progesterone hormone. So A is the right answer. Question number 3. The estrogen and progesterone hormone is synthesized from. We know that in ovary, these hormones are synthesized from cholesterol. B is the right answer. Question number 4. In luteal phase, which is also known as post-ovulatory phase, which hormone levels are high? We know that after the formation of corpus luteum, the progesterone hormone levels increases. So B is the right answer. Question number 5. Which hormone prepares uterus for pregnancy? We know that the progesterone hormone prepares uterus for pregnancy. So A is the right answer. Thank you.